Hey, welcome to my channel here. In this clip here, I'm kind of showing you that I ripped off my roof. This is what it looks like before I did it. It looks really bad. It's the original roof. As I start tearing it all off, I realize most of the rafters are rotten. You'll see right about here. All the supports are all rotten and stuff. I got to replace it all. All this took about 2 days to do. As I got towards the front of the RV there, I discovered no, not almost. I think 15 of the rafters had to be replaced. It's a lot of work for one person, but as soon as you get it done, it's well worth it. And here's me putting the new roof back on. That new wood is quarter-inch low on, and this rubber mat roofing cost like $300. It was folded quite weird, so I had to unfold it on the roof. Thanks for watching.